Reit, dwi'n gredwr mawr mewn rhai llais I bobl ifanc yn sut mae'n gwlad ni'n cael I redeg, felly dwi just eisiau tynnu'ch sylw chi at hwn. I'm a great believer in giving young people a voice in how our country is run, so I just want to draw your attention to this. Be di hwn ydi holiadur ar sefydlu Senedd Ieuenctid I Gymru. Mae'r cynulliad I penderfynu'n barod bod ni eisiau creu sefydliad fel yma mwyn rhoi llais cenedlaethol I bobl ifanc, ond rwan mae fyny chi I ddeud sut fath o Senedd Ieuenctid a'ch chi'n meddwl dyle hon fod. Felly, ydych chi'n cael copi papur fel hyn, neu mae'n siŵr sa'n haws I chi fynd I wefan seneddieuenctid.cymru mwyn I chi gael deud eich deud. The Assembly's already decided that we want to set up a youth parliament for Wales to give young people a national voice, if you like. The question now is, what kind of youth parliament do you want? We want you to have your say. You can pick up a paper copy like this, but it's probably easier for you to go on the website. Go to youthparliament.wales and fill in that SurveyMonkey survey so that you can have your say. Let's get this thing up and running as soon as we can. Mae'r manylion y wefan a falle ar gwylod y screen. The website details are on the bottom of the screen, so have your say.